Hello and welcome. This is Linda Varnam of Chanvar Yoga Qigong. Today I'd like to share with you a few minutes of a Tai Chi Qigong practice that's fabulous for when you feel that energy slump in your day. Perhaps you've been sat at your desk a little bit too long. Like many of us, you thought that you might just be there for a few minutes, and now it's an hour or two later. You're feeling a little stiff and tired. So stand up, push yourself away from your desk, and we'll begin. Always remember to move within a range of motion that feels pain free and never do anything that doesn't feel right in your body. These movements should feel freeing and energizing. Come into standing, feet about shoulder width apart. Relax your shoulders. Soften your knees a little, just a very little, so it feels like you're just starting to think about sitting down in a chair. Tailbone slightly dropped, keep your low back long. Take a moment to feel your breath lengthen through the crown of the head. Now, if you can, sit a little deeper here. Make sure your knees feel okay with that. We're going to bring the arms up and open here, lifting through the breastbone, looking up a little. Keep the back of your neck long. And then bring the arms forward and scoop and round the back. So we're bringing the movement into extending the spine here and flexing the spine here. Now keep this as big or as small as you like in terms of the range of motion, always remembering pain-free. Breathe in, breathe out. Movement should feel enjoyable, like you're freeing some tension up into your back body. Let's release the arms down now. Roll your shoulders a little, taking them back. So your opposite movement to that sort of rounding forward that we do a lot when we are at a desk or just spending a little too much time on a laptop or computer. Shake out the arms. We'll come into some rotation. The knees and the toes staying basically facing forward. When you start to rotate, sort of around the hip or pelvis area, and then moving up through your spine. Letting your arms relax and just follow that movement. Tap on the sides of your body, knocking on the door of life, waking up the energy a little, and rotating your spine. Rotating your spine is like wringing out tension. Now just let the arms wave around a little lighter, a little slower, a little smaller. Now we want to move the spine in its side stretching movement. Bring one hand onto the side. Take the other arm up and over. Then swing that arm through and reach and stretch the opposite direction. Nice lovely wave of your spine into this lateral movement. So we've included all of the movements of the spine in this short practice. The flexion and extension, the rotation, and now the lateral movement or side stretching. Try to get these movements of your spine into your day, into your daily routine. Help to maintain a healthy spine. Now let's bring that flow of energy all the way through the spine, from the tailbone to the crown of the head. Backs of the hands together. Glide your pelvis slightly back and then through and forward. You lift through the spine. Open the hands. Gliding the pelvis back, through and forward. Feeling a wave of energy along your spine. Encouraging this lovely flow of energy through your body. Bring the hands down. Let them sit on your belly just below your navel or in the area of the lower dantian, the lower energy field. Step your feet a little closer together and take another pause just to feel the response to those few movements. Perhaps feel some energy in your body, it's tingling and warmth. Your mind a little more focused. If you'd like to learn more about how to bring these mind body activities into your daily routine in a very easy and manageable way, go to www.chanvar.com and learn more about the daily 10-minute. While you're there, be sure to register for the free 3-day daily 10-minute. See you soon.